Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone XR. First I have to turn off the phone, then I'm gonna open two screw from the back. It's too hard, just open it carefully, otherwise you will mess it up the screw, then hard to open the screen. This screw is a little hard for some phones, so yeah, it's too hard to open. Trying to open it, but it's a little bit harder than normal. So yeah, just open it, and then I have to open the screen, and I have to open it carefully. I'm opening carefully because there is a cable on the side, especially for the Face ID, the ear speaker and the Face ID. Just be careful before you open the screen. So now I have to open the battery connector lids. There is 3 screws. So I'm gonna open that screw, then I'll disconnect the battery connector. Yep, I'm unplug, and I'm opening 2 screw in the middle on the cable. So there is 2 screws. I'm opening that 2 screw, and then there is 4 screw. I'm opening that 4 screw now. And when you open the screw or whatever, don't make too much pressure. So I open the lids, and now I'm unplug the ear speaker and the sensor cable. Now I'm opening the screen connector cable. Don't use this kind of metal things. If it is possible, use the plastic um, opener. So I do it because I'm very professional, so I can do it carefully because it work long time. So when you try, then put it the metal like that, because those are heavy metal. If it is like goes wrong, it will be break the motherboard. So now I'm opening the 4 screw from the top of the screen. There is a ear speaker and the sensor cable. So I open that 4 screw, and I'm like take it off the sensors, and there is like couple places is get in. So I just remove the ear speaker and the sensor cable. Do it very carefully. There is 2 things I remember. Yeah, there's 2 things. So just open it carefully, don't break anything. Now I'm opening the extra plastic behind the screen, and I'm put it back the ear speaker and the sensor. Now I'm put it back the screw. There is another metal goes in between uh, the sensor and the lids. So put it little carefully. Even if you don't put it these things back, it's not gonna make any problem. I never seen any problem. So if it is very hard for you, you don't need to use it, I believe, because I sometimes I like don't use it and I don't feel any problem. So I'm put back that 4 screws. Please, if it is help you, if the video help you to fix your phone, please subscribe my channel to get all kind of problem solution. So I'm gonna connect the screen. There is 2 things, 2 connector. And press it very carefully, don't bend it or don't break it. And now I'm put it back the cable from the top. There is a ear speaker and sensor, and after that the battery connection. And I'm put it back the lids. There is 4 screw. Please like my video and comments is to help me to increase the channel, because I'm start new, so I want help from you guys. I'll try to make better video. I'll try my best to give the real information. So please subscribe my channel and give me a like and comments please, and share the video if anybody needed. And there is 2 screw, and put it back the 2 screw. And then I'm going to replace the battery connection, plug the battery, and then I put it back the lids on there. And I'm going to put it back the screen. First I press the top part of the screen, and then I put it back the bottom of the screen. Sometimes the phone is get bent, then you can press it a little bit hard with care, then the phone will be perfect. Yeah, the phone is almost ready. Just have to put it back this 2 screw. So I'm going to put it back this 2 screw. So my phone is ready. Just have to turn it on. Yep, see the Apple logo is turned on. The phone is ready. So please subscribe my channel. Please give me a like, share and comments. Thank you very much to watch the videos, and I'll give you a lot of videos. If you have any question, comments below. Thank you for watching. So everything is perfect. I'm checking. Yep, so the phone is ready to use. Thank you very much.